A boring day in space. Astronaut Lila floated through the quiet corridors of the space station. Outside the window, Earth spun slowly, its blue and green beauty shining brightly against the black void of space. Normally, Lila loved staring at it, but today, she was bored. "I've done everything," she sighed, flipping lazily in zero gravity. "I've fixed the oxygen filter, wrote in my space journal, and even reorganized the food packets alphabetically. What else is there to do?" Lila glanced at the mission log. Nothing urgent, just another day of orbiting 400 kilometers above Earth. She floated to the window and watched a cloud swirl over the Atlantic Ocean. "That's cool," she muttered, "but not new." She looked over at the plant experiment in the corner. The tiny bean sprout she'd planted weeks ago had grown taller, its leaves reaching toward the artificial light. "At least you're doing something interesting," she said to the plant. Suddenly, an idea popped into her head. "What if I made today fun?" she said, clapping her hands. Lila grabbed a sticky pad and marker and began writing notes. "Space Cafe open. Free cookies for all astronauts." She stuck the note on the kitchen door. Next, she gathered her tools and began building. After an hour of tinkering, she had created her masterpiece, a mini bowling alley using soda cans for pins and a bouncy ball as the bowling ball. "Strike!" Lila cheered as the ball sent the cans flying across the room. She laughed, her boredom replaced by excitement. Then, as she sat munching on a packet of space cookies, an alert buzzed on the control panel. "Incoming video call from Earth," the screen read. It was her little brother, Max. "Hey, Lila," Max shouted, his face filling the screen. "What's it like in space today?" Lila smiled. "You wouldn't believe it. I turned the space station into a bowling alley and cafe. Next, I'm thinking of hosting a zero-gravity race." Max laughed. "You're so lucky. I wish I could visit you." "Maybe one day," Lila said. "But for now, I'll keep finding ways to have fun. Space isn't boring if you get creative." And with that, Lila waved goodbye to Earth and got back to her newest invention, a zero-gravity ping-pong game.